Have you ever found yourself juggling multiple projects, tasks, and deadlines, feeling overwhelmed and disorganized? You're not alone. Many professionals today are searching for tools to streamline their workflows and boost productivity. One popular option is Wrike, a versatile project management platform. But is Wrike really a CRM? Let's dive in and find out. What is a CRM? Before we delve into Wrike, let's clarify what a CRM is. A CRM, or Customer Relationship Management System, is a software designed to help businesses manage interactions with customers and potential customers. It often includes features like contact management, sales automation, and customer support. Wrike's core features. Now, let's explore some of Wrike's key features. Task management. Wrike excels at breaking down projects into manageable tasks, assigning them to team members, and tracking progress. Collaboration. It facilitates seamless collaboration among team members, allowing for real-time communication, file sharing, and commenting on tasks. Project planning. Wrike provides tools for creating project timelines, setting deadlines, and assigning resources. Reporting and analytics. The platform offers insights into project performance, allowing you to identify bottlenecks, track progress, and make data-driven decisions. Can Wrike serve as a CRM? While Wrike offers many valuable features, it's important to consider whether it can truly function as a comprehensive CRM. While it does have some CRM-like capabilities, such as contact management and lead tracking, it may fall short in certain areas compared to dedicated CRM solutions. CRM-specific features missing in Wrike. Here are some key CRM features that Wrike might lack. Sales pipeline management. Wrike may not offer the same level of sales pipeline visualization and automation as dedicated CRMs. Marketing automation. Wrike might not have built-in marketing automation features like email marketing, lead scoring, or campaign management. Customer support ticketing. While Wrike can be used to manage tasks related to customer support, it may not have the specific features and integrations required for a robust customer support ticketing system. Wrike is a complementary tool. Even if Wrike doesn't fulfill all the requirements of a full-fledged CRM, it can still be a valuable tool for businesses. It can complement a dedicated CRM by providing a centralized platform for project management, task tracking, and collaboration. Best practices for using Wrike. To maximize the benefits of Wrike, consider the following best practices. Define clear roles and responsibilities. Clearly outline the roles and responsibilities of team members to ensure smooth collaboration and avoid confusion. Utilize templates. Create templates for common project types to streamline the setup process and ensure consistency. Leverage integrations. Explore integrations with other tools, such as email marketing platforms or communication apps, to enhance Wrike's functionality. Regularly review and adjust. Continuously assess your team's use of Wrike and make adjustments as needed to optimize its effectiveness. While Wrike is a powerful project management tool, it may not be the ideal choice for businesses seeking a comprehensive CRM solution. However, it can be a valuable asset when used in conjunction with a dedicated CRM or for organizations with less complex CRM needs. If you're considering Wrike or another project management tool, it's essential to carefully evaluate your specific requirements and budget. Consider factors such as the size of your team, the complexity of your projects, and your need for CRM-specific features. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences with Wrike or other project management tools, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.